Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy McFinance, and welcome to another weekly market forecast. And today we'll be looking at US30, US500, as well as US100, as always. And yeah, guys, if it's the first time on this channel, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also click on that notification bell to get notified next time I drop valuable content just like this one. So, right here we have US30, right? So if you can see right here, we had an impulse, then a deeper correction, then we broke our trend, our pattern right here. So our overall movement is to come right here. So this week we're gonna look for buys on US30, right? If you go over to the 1 hour time frame, so going over to the 1 hour time frame, right? So it would be ideal for me to look for a setup that is like a bullish flag, right? So I'd look for a bullish flag, something like this. And then if we could have a trend line like that, and then our support trend line also looking like this, then we could take our buy entries right here, stop loss just below right there, then our take profits targets all the way to the 90% rule, right? So therefore we have a nice risk to reward ratio of 4.58. So the reason why I'm not looking for sales is because our overall movement is to go to the upside, right? So it wouldn't be ideal for me to look for sales. Even if you can check this over here, guys, you can see that the market is too choppy, and it's not clear as the way I want it to. So I'm not going to try to force trades. I'm just going to wait for a setup that I'm confident in, that is a high probability trade, and then I'm going to take that. So that is it for US30. Moving over to US100. So on US100, guys, if we go to the daily time frame, yeah. So if we can go to the daily time frame, you can see that over here we had our first touch, second touch, third touch, broke, went to the upside, right? So we are also looking to go to the upside with US100, right? But you can see that this is a very sensitive zone. It rejected right here, rejected here, rejected there also. So now if we could move up and come here and capitalize from there, it would be a very great entry and a very great trade, right? So if we go to the 4 hour time frame, you'll see that we have an impulse, a correction. So looking to have an impulse to the upside and capitalize, right? But the pattern that we have is a bearish pattern, right? So you can see that right here we have our first touch, second touch on our resistance trend line, right? And then on our support trend line we have our first touch, second touch. So we might be looking to sell and make our third touch and then continue to the downside. So we'll just see what US100 has for us, but I'm not going to take sell entries. As I said, I'm going to look for buy entries on this because our overall movement is to go to the upside, right? So it wouldn't be ideal. And if I took this trade, let me see if the risk to reward ratio would make sense, right? So I'll take my entry right here once it broke right there, then my stop loss right above there, and my take profit will be right there. So it wouldn't be ideal, guys, because you can see that the risk to reward ratio is 2.8, and we risk more than we risk when it's 3 and more, right? So yeah, this one wouldn't be ideal for me. So yeah, moving over to US500. So with US500, you can see that it's very quite clear, right? So you have an impulse, we had an impulse, had a correction. So we did capitalize from here to there, right? So with that buy, we did capitalize. If you can check our Telegram group down below, I'll just plug the link in the description, so you can see we took the trade with the members to go to the upside, and we did eat. So for now on US500, I'll just wait for a correction pattern, or I'll just wait for it to break here, then give us a correction pattern, then we'll take the buys to go to the upside. So that was it, guys, for today's weekly market forecast. And yeah, if you gained value and if you enjoyed it, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also like the video. And as always, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace out.